it's Galina Correa. Today we're going to be reviewing lesson 2-5, multiplying and dividing rational numbers. Let's begin. The first thing you have to know about dividing is a reciprocal. The reciprocal are two numbers with a product of 1. 4 over 5 is a reciprocal of 5 over 4 because when you multiply 5 times 4 it equals 20 and 4 times 5 equals 20, so it's equivalent to 1. Now that you know that, let's begin. 3 over 4 divided by 5 over 6. The first thing you have to do to find out the problem is change 5 over 6 to its reciprocal 6 over 5. Now rewrite the problem as 3 over 4 and 6 over 5. The second thing you have to do is change the dividing sign to multiplication. Now that you're ready, we can simplify. So you simplify 4 and 6 because they both share the GCF of 2. So you divide 6 by 2, which equals 3, and 4 times 2, which equals 2. 3 times 3 equals 9, and 2 times 5 equals 10. So the answer is 9 over 10. Let's go on to the next problem. When you're doing this with mixed numbers, the first thing you have to do is change the mixed number to an improper fraction. So you multiply 4 times 2, which equals 8, and add 1, which equals 9. So the new improper fraction is 9 over 4, divided by 7 over 4 because you multiplied 4 times 1, which equals 4, plus 3, which equals 7. So now you have to change 7 over 4 to its reciprocal, 4 over 7. And you write 9 over 4 and 4 over 7. Change the dividing sign to multiplication, and now you multiply 9 times 1, which equals 9, and 1 times 7, which equals 7. Since it's an improper fraction, you have to divide. When you divide, you divide 7 over 9, and it equals 1. Since there's a remainder, the remainder becomes the fraction. So the answer is 1 and 2 over 7. Let's go on to multiplication. When you multiply mixed numbers, the first thing you have to do is make it improper fraction. So the improper fraction of this number is 11 over 5, and for this one it's 20 over 6. Now you multiply. First you have to simplify, and you simplify 5 by 20, which equals 4, and 5 by 1, which equals 1. So you multiply 11 times 4, which equals 44, 1 times 6, which equals 6. Now you divide here, and the answer is 7 and 1 over 3 after simplifying. When you multiply, it's first thing you have to do is simplify. Now that 2 divided by 2 and 6 share a GCF of 2, which is 1. So you divide 2 and 2, which equals 1, and 3 and 6 by 2, which equals 3. 3 and 9 also share GCF of 3, so 3 is 1.